at Math 6. Just wanted to give you some quick instructions for today. Hopefully by now you should have looked at the last slide to see our information about our summative that's coming up next week. It will be on Wednesday and Thursday next week. So all that we do for the remainder of this week and the beginning of next week will be a way to help you prepare for that summative test. So be sure to give it your best effort and take a look at any feedback or videos that we post in comments on your work, because that will help clear up any misunderstandings you might have before the summative. So for today's activity, it's going to look a little bit like the puzzle times that we used to do when we were in class together. So here's your instructions. There's going to be 3 work slides for you to do. You'll see 4 work slides. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you'll see a riddle. What kind of cup can't hold water? And what you're going to do is, after you've answered the questions, you're going to insert the letter that corresponds with your answers on the riddle slide. So for example, on number 1, we have solving the inequality, d plus 3 is greater than 18. So again, you'll follow your steps to solve the inequality. Once you simplify your answer, you're going to look at the answer choices on the bottom and drag your answer into the box there. Once you've done this for all of your questions, what you can do is fill in the riddle. So let's say, for example, for number 1, you chose the answer that is in yellow, and it was O. What you would do is here you would look at number 1 and you would type in the letter O if that corresponds with your answer. So if you do it correctly, you should get an answer that makes sense for this. We're going to want you to try your best on today's work. Today's work, we will be looking at it for a formative grade. And we're going to be looking at more than just your answers. We want to make sure that you are following the steps and the processes in this too. So make sure that you're showing your work or showing your mathematical thinking on all of the answer choices.